Your house is more than just that. It's your home. It's the place where your family gathers, where memories are made and good times are shared. Your walls are not just walls, they're the showcase for your favorite family photos. Your floors are not just floors, they are the pitter-patter sound of tiny feet. Your time's not just time, it's moments that could be spent making memories. That's why you and your home deserve to be cared for by someone who knows that it's not just a house. Mr. Handyman believes in a convenient, one-call solution where one simple call schedules an appointment and delivers a safe, worry-free experience completed by a seasoned professional. We promise to arrive on time and perform quality work, guaranteed to your satisfaction. We know the safety of your home and family is your number one priority, which is why our employees are fully insured and have at least 10 years experience in a number of trades. At Mr. Handyman, we believe there are no shortcuts to doing a job right, and that good service means more than just repair, which is why we'll clean up when we're done. We believe that there is a different handyman experience. We believe you can believe in us. Mr. Handyman, we're not just any handyman. We are your home improvement professionals.